Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover direct editing tool in SolidWorks. So editing tool is a set of tool which is really handy when you are working with the surfaces or planes or solid which you are imported from another software package, or if you already have a solid or body and you don't want to go into the details like where it is created and what is the sketch and anything, and you still want to work with them and you want to move them from one place to another, or you want to have some kind of operations on them. So in such a way, direct editing tool is a really great tool. Okay, so as you can see on your screen right now, I have a part here. So what I can do is I just want to go into the direct editing tool. So if you don't have a direct editing tool into your tab section, what you can do is you can just right click any of the tab, and then you can go into the tabs, and then you can just check the direct editing. So in this way you would see the direct editing tab would appear here. So if I'm gonna go into the direct editing, so you can see there are some options and we can play with them. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna work only on move copy bodies. So what we can do is if we want to move or copy a body, so right now first we have only a one body. So what I want to have another body. So suppose I want to go onto the top plane, and then I want to go on a normal view, and then I would like to go into the sketch, and let's draw a circle here somewhere. Okay, and then let's give it dimensions, suppose 4 inches. Okay, fine. And then let's go into the features. Let's extrude it. I would say 1 inch is fine. 1 inch is fine. And then let's click the green check mark. Okay, so I have my another body here. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So what I can do is we can go into direct editing tool now, and then we can use move and copy bodies. So I'm gonna go into the direct editing and then move copy bodies. So the first thing is like I need to choose what is the body which I want to move or copy. So I'm just gonna select this body, and the next thing is I need to select the mate setting. So mate, which we use a lot in assemblies, which we didn't cover it till now, but in next classes in the assemblies part of this course we are gonna cover the mate tool in detail. So what we can do is like we can just select the mate, and we need to select a surface. Suppose I want to select this one. I want to have a mate with inner surface to the outer surface of this part. So as you can see, whenever I just give them a mate between inner part and the outer surface of this body, so it's gonna automatically move here. And then I would like to add another mate. So what I can do is I can just select the upper area of this body and this one. So in this way I can create a mate between upper side of this body and this body. So it's gonna move into the middle of this body. So this is exactly what I want. So I just create two mates between them, and then I'm just gonna click the green check mark. So look, in this way we can just move the second body from a different distance to the middle of this part. So now maybe you are gonna ask me like why we didn't create it here. So this is a like just for a practice. Like yes, the good practice is you should made it here. But if you have a part, like you have a part from different softwares, you have two different parts, and then you want to have them according to your design or somehow. So in this way, by using direct tool, you can just make them according to your design. So now that was the internal moving of the part from one location to another. So if we want to have an external part and then we want to move it, so we can go into the insert and then insert a part. So we can go into the same folder, and I have another part here. Then I need to click the green check mark, and it is gonna be asked like, do you really want to use that external part here? So I just need to click yes, and then the external part is here. But the point is, this is not the position or location where I want to have this part, and then I need to move it. So again, I would like to go into the direct editing and then go into the ribbon section and select move copy bodies. Okay, again the first thing is I need to select the body which I want to move. So I'm going to select this body, and then the second thing is mate. I need to set a mate between them. So what I can do is I can just select the outer surface of this body and then this side of this body. So in this way I can create a mate between them, and then I can just click the green check mark. So as I already made a mate between these two bodies, so these are two connected but still they are not combined. So there is another fancy tool if you want. So into the direct editing you can see there is an option combine. So we can combine two different bodies. So let's say bodies to combine, and then I need to select this body and then second body, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. As previously you can see there was a line which was because these two are a different body, but right now it is only one body, so that's why this is a part of it now. So I would say this direct editing is a really powerful tool when you want to combine different bodies, or if you have two different parts and different locations and you want to move them or you want to combine them. So in such type of situation, this is a really handy tool. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.